Cryptocurrencies and education, using blockchain to enhance learning. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are revolutionizing the education sector by providing innovative solutions for various challenges related to learning, credentialing, and administration. Here's how these technologies are enhancing education. Key innovations. 1. Secure and verifiable credentials. Blockchain enables the issuance and verification of digital diplomas, certificates, and credentials. Educational institutions can issue tamper-proof records that employers and other institutions can easily verify. This reduces the risk of credential fraud and simplifies the verification process for job applicants and academic institutions. 2. Decentralized learning platforms. Blockchain supports decentralized learning platforms where educational content and resources are distributed across a network of nodes. These platforms can provide learners with access to a wide range of courses and materials without relying on a central authority, promoting a more open and accessible education system.